I'm not sure if the monitor was paused there for a moment, but we're letting the line drain out now. There's the main lateral at 70 feet out, and we're reeling back here to the root intrusion. We're going to locate that and find out if the roots are on property or out in the street, which would make it the city's responsibility. Alright, I did successfully locate the camera head, and here at the first root intrusion, and there's one just after this, a couple feet away. We are out in the street, about 2 feet out in the road, so that would make this the responsibility of the city. But I would just recommend submitting the video to them so they can take a look at it, and just so they know that the line exists this way, and they may come out and fix it. That's kind of up to them. I'm going to go ahead and keep drilling back. Okay, so here at 15 feet, this is the start of a belly in the line, and it's where the line has lost grade, and it's pretty consistent for, we'll push to the end here. There's about an inch and a half of standing water here, and when the line has water going through, there's a lot of standing water. It's very slow to drain out. And the reason that is concerning is it catches all the debris as it comes through. My camera pushed a lot of it out of the way as it went through there. We'll push out here to the end of the belly and find that, but it does start there at 15 feet. And I do recommend regrading the pipe so there's proper flow in the line. Now the standing water dissipates here at 35 feet from the point of access, and there's a pretty consistent amount of standing water from 15 feet to 35 feet. Some places it's about an inch and a half deep, and in other places it's about a half inch, but over that amount of distance can cause some significant flow issues. Okay, I located the camera head here at 35 feet. It's the end of the belly. We're in the middle of the front yard. It's marked with a green X at 7 feet deep. I'm going to go ahead and reel back and do a marking at 20 feet as well as 15 feet if possible. Okay, I've drawn just a line in the front yard. We're just a few feet away from the front deck right now, at 7 feet deep as well, which is actually makes sense. It should be when you have a belly. The grade isn't changing at all. It's 7 feet at 26 feet, and it's 7 feet deep at 35 feet. I'm going to go ahead and pull back here. I think it's going to cross underneath the front deck, so we'll see how much of the rest of this I can actually locate. Okay, I just went located here at 23 feet, or just an inch or two from the front edge of the deck. The line's just going back underneath it if you're going from the back towards the clean out here. So I'm going to try and locate. I can put some tape markings on the front deck. It's about as best I can do. My depths will not be accurate whatsoever, as I'll be locating from the deck surface and not the ground. And we do have water coming down the line there, but this is where the belly starts as at 15 feet. Disregard the water. Okay, and I did do a marking here. I used some tape. I have marked a X on the front deck. I'm getting a depth. Again, it's not that accurate as I'm locating from the deck surface. I'm getting around 10.5, 11 feet. It's kind of a rough marking. More than anything, it's just giving the repair guys a rough idea of where the belly starts at. But they're going to have to do their own locating to get underneath there. But more than likely, that depth's right around 6-7 feet deep, just based on what I've located already. I do recommend regrading from 15 feet to 35 feet to restore proper flow to the line, and I also recommend a rescope after the repair is finished to ensure that grade has been met. I'm going to go ahead and reel the camera all the way back.